Hello, how are you doing? I just wanted to bring you a few node projects that they have out there that you can earn passive income. You do have to make initial investment, and once you make this investment, you can't get it back. So it's one of those ones that you have to buy something and then invest in it, and then they give you rewards. So I have tried power nodes. This is one of the new popular ones. Of course, the first most popular one is strong nodes, and that's on the Ethereum network. And they also have it on the Polychain network, which is cheaper. The initial investment is $5,000, but the passive income you can make monthly is about 1,000, maybe 1,000 or 1,500 a month. So if you have the $5,000 to invest, Strong Nodes has been around for a year, and you can earn rewards. So I just wanted to tell you about that one. And basically what you do is you buy the tokens, the Strong Node tokens, and then you build a node. Down here, they do have step by step. So you start a node. Let's see. Oh, my internet's not working very good, so I'm just going to go to the next one. But they do have step by step here on how to do it. Next one is power nodes, and here you have to buy the 10 tokens to earn the 1% a day or 7% a day. You need like 50. So you click buy now, and it'll take you here. You have to have a Phantom network added to your MetaMask. You can look that up here and go here to the Phantom, and you enter your information under the network. You can also go to link here, chainlist.org, and go Phantom and hit connect wallet, and it'll add it to your wallet. So basically, once you have that, you just set up your nodes and you just start earning rewards. This is another new one, Phantom Node Capital, which currently the coin is only like $1. So if you buy 10 of them and they start building nodes, you can get into this for like $10. You might have to wait a while until it gets better, but like the power node, I got one that was like $400. It's like $30 a token, and I'm earning about 1% a day. So it's about $5 a day. So 5 times 30, about $150 a month for my $400 investment. So if the price of the token goes higher, I'll make more. So that's basically how this works. So those are the three nodes that I wanted to tell you about. If you like this content, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.